If this is finding you on March 22nd or the 23rd, then this reading is for you, okay? This is a collective reading. I am tuning into the energy and I'm translating it and telling you what I'm feeling. So if this video found you, you are part of that energy that I am translating. So let's get to it. I'm feeling like something was ripped away from you. That's what I'm hearing. Something was ripped away. It was very sudden. It was not expected. Things were going one way and then boom, it happened. And I just feel like we're kind of like in the shock period still. It's like we haven't really realized it and we're not accepting it because we're like, there's something else is going on here. Like there's no way that this is truly happening. So does this sound like something that you're going through? Because I'm feeling that very strongly. And I'm feeling like the light within you is not quite diminished yet because you have this hope that it's all just like a sick joke and it's all going to work out in the end. But you want to know, you're like, am I being delusional? That's like the biggest thing. It's like, am I being delusional? Or is this my intuition telling me something? How do we know? Well, that's why we're going to channel from spirit. We're going to get to the answer. We're going to get down to the bottom of things. Look, there's no hashtags. There's no viral audio. Like, this found you. So here's what came out. We have the 8 of Pentacles, okay? Whatever this was is something that you really, really cared for. I'm seeing like it's just, you saw the beauty in it. Every little thing, it's like you saw it on a deeper level than what other people saw. And I just feel like this is like a possession. It's like, and when I say possession, that can mean many different things. So, like a dog could be like your possession in a sense, or a relationship could have been like your possession. It's like, that's something that was mine. That's the kind of energy, okay? Might not be using the best wording. The Knight of Pentacles is right underneath there. So with this energy, I feel like there's something coming into your life. And I feel like this had to be cleared out because there's something new coming in. And that was in the way. Like this new thing that's coming into your life, this thing, it wasn't just no. I'm not even hearing an explanation. I'm just seeing big black letters and N-O. No. Like there's something else for you and it's coming in. And it's coming in quick, okay? It's coming in quick. Okay, we have the 5 of Pentacles here. And so I feel like there's a version of you that's going to go back and forth. There's a version of you, your energy is kind of wishy-washy. There's a version of you that's like, I'm going to, accept that I have to move on. I'm going to accept that it ended the way it did. I'm going to accept that there's a new path that I'm supposed to be on. Let's do it. Then there's the version of you that's like, but wait a second, why do I feel this way? Wait a second, it doesn't make sense. This isn't adding up. I know the energy is telling me there's something a little bit more to this. So I don't think this is going to be like an easy process. Even after this reading, you're not going to be like, oh, okay, let's see what the new thing is. No, you're going to go back and forth for a little bit. You're going to be 2 different versions of yourself. You have to withdraw your energy from trying to make decisions and pull your energy into yourself and pull your energy into the process of realizing what it is you want. And I'm not saying like, what is it that you want in the physical? What is it that you want energetically? Expand your mind. Think outside of the box. What is it that you're wanting? So for example, let's say that you're wanting this amazing relationship, but you're stuck on this one person. It has to be with this person. This was my partner. This is my soulmate. There's no one else in the world but this person. This person's my soulmate, but you're not with this person. So think outside the box. What energy did that person have that you loved so much? Let's tune into that energy. What was it about that person? Did they make you feel safe, peaceful, happy, content? Did they make you feel heard? Think of it in an energetic standpoint. What did this person make you feel? Try to go as deep as you can. What emotions did you feel from this person? Because that's what you're really chasing. It's not necessarily that you want them. It's you want the feeling that they incited within you. So if you could figure out what you liked about the way you felt with them, what energy they provided you that you were missing, Get it specific as you can, and then the universe will hear you. And instead of being like, do I go down this path of moving on or this path of waiting, throw those options out the window. Now the universe has something to work with. Oh, that's what you want? Oh, that's the energy you want to feel? Well, I know something that'll make you feel exactly like that. I know someone who will make you feel exactly that way. I have all the answers because I'm the universe. I am everything. I know where everything is. You tell me. You put your energetic order in, and I will hear it and I will deliver it. Okay? If you're putting out the energy of, I'm confused, I don't know what I want, I don't know who I want, guess what? You're going to get more back. You're going to keep getting that back. You're going to keep getting these signs that don't make sense because your energy is not grounded. Your energy is not stable. So therefore, the energy of the universe is going to just show you that right back to you. The unstable, unpredictable, confused energy. Okay? So it's time to not be confused. We know what we want. You know what you want. You have to get specific. You have to write it down if you have to. What is it about that person? What is it about that job? What is it about whatever it is that you're wanting? What was it that made it, what did it make you feel? What are you chasing? Okay? Because it's a little bit deeper than just the surface thing that you're wanting. Figure out how you want to feel. How will you feel when you have that thing you want? And then by getting into that state and just feeling it just for a moment, the universe will hear that vibration and the universe will find exactly what matches it and bring that into your life. Mark my words. Mark my words, you try this and you watch it happen. You watch it happen, okay? You guys, for those of you who are new here and you don't know, or for those of you who do know and you've been waiting for this, my angel deck is back in stock. I channeled 44 angels. 44 angels came to me in 24 hours. They showed me what they looked like. They told me what their name was. And they told me what they wanted their message on their card to be for humanity. So this is completely channeled. You're not going to find this anywhere else because this is like channeled material. And they're so inspirational. Every card's different. I mean, they're all so different. So if this is calling you and you want to get in touch with the angels and you want to receive answers from the universe, I would recommend this. You don't need to know how to read tarot to have this because it has the quote at the bottom. So all you have to do every morning or just when you feel called to, grab your deck out, shuffle it if you need to, or split the deck, whatever you feel called to do. And just, pick one up, read it. Maybe you don't even need to read the quote. Maybe something just pops out to you and you're like, that's what I needed to know from that. This is great for that, okay? And it's great for someone who is just learning how to read cards and, they don't have time to necessarily learn tarot. So I had two that just fell out. So I'm going to tell you what these are. We have Reynold, and his message is show up. And then we have Leslie, ask me for a sign and I'll deliver. Okay, so I'll put the link right here in case you're interested in the cards. They did sell out really fast last time, so if you're interested and you think that you want these, do not wait because they'll probably be gone if you hold off on it. They're only $35, which I feel like it's a good deal. It's a good deal. Oh my gosh, I also want to tell you guys, if you are looking for love, I have a new podcast coming out. Yes, it's a love podcast. We're using astrology to find you the perfect soulmate. So if you're interested, if you're single and you want to see if this works, because it's a social experiment, I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to test it out and see. If this is something that you want to try, then go to my link tree, and in there you'll see the submission form. You can go in there and you can submit your information, and you just have to do it by April 1st. So hopefully you're seeing this video before April 1st. Go in there, go fill it out, and we'll contact you if we find your soulmate, and you could be on the podcast meeting your soulmate. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this, you guys. I seriously cannot wait. There's a lot of exciting things coming up, and I can't wait to share with you because it's all for you. I'm doing everything that I'm doing, it's for you. So I can't wait to share these other things that I have coming up for you guys. Okay, make sure to follow me so that you can get these updates. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.